welcome to another early start. Started just there at the back of 4. Right, back out to the woods today, finally getting my trailer back, which to say I'm a wee bit disappointed. I do like this scaly trailer. Get a load on it, take that back to the yard, tip the yard, drop the trailer in the yard, and then I'm grabbing my loader trailer away to grab a couple of machines. There's only 2 collections, and the end destination is Campbelltown, which is a fair trek, by the way. It doesn't look at much on the map, but when you do it, it's a long punt. Right, that is me backed out of the job to get my trailer back here. I don't know if you can see them in the camera, but the midges are always terrible at this site. Gonna get my trailer and then go spin around up and over the hill and get a load, take it back to the yard. Look at the bloody midges. Bloody hell. Oh, midges. Let's see the driver stuck the trailer brake on. Fucking midges. Oh, he did. Oh, God. Three sevens.
No, 3-1.
Oh,
Have you got time? Mora will tip you if you want, innit? Boys beer.
King Lochleven. How long would you say to get to Campbelltown from Fort William?
For what way are you going? Lochilben way?
Yeah.
Right, for William you'll be 2.5 hours to Lochilben, then another hour and a half.
Right, I should make.
You'll see when I've dug a hole out at the end of this thing. Don't go down that hill, that wee snap there. Just
Right.
the end of this thing.
Right.
See when I've dug a hole out the last one thing, okay?
No more now. I think I'm just going to take this back to the yard and drop it there. I haven't quite decided yet, but main being is I'll tip it tomorrow and then I'll run from there to another site more north to grab a load to get to Inverness, and then hop across to a place in Aberdeen to maybe pick up 2 tractor trailers. That job might be coming on and off, so I'm just going to keep this as a spare. Right, back to the yard, dropping my loaded trailer here. I'll tip this tomorrow at some point or later in the week. Put some blocks under the legs so the legs don't sink from the ground. It is hard enough, but it's better to be safe than sorry. I just grab a loader trailer up and start loading up the head for Campbelltown, and more works came on, but we're trying to figure out other ways to get it done, whether I have to sub it out to someone else. I'm not too sure yet. All hitched up, ready to go. My AdBlue got delivered this morning, so that's handy. I've taken a drum of that away with me. Oh, I'll do some quick cup of tea for the road. Ah, Robbie's got a tidy load on. A Mark 1 Escort. How high tech is this? Now people say, why didn't I have a button? Well, I'd have to plug a button in to do the same job. Whereas to do this way, it's a lot quicker. And it's a good backup as well if the button fails. I just use a coin. Gonna be honest, I have no idea how to operate this thing. It's just trial and error. I have moved them before, well, different ones, but it's just trial and error and having a wee bit of thought. There's got to be some safety feature to switch it from controls up there, the controls down here. I just had to figure it out. These are actually relatively easy to operate once you figure them out. There's a foot pedal there, so you put down that, and then it's just this wee joystick. There's a wee bit of fiddling about. I'm not too sure that arm's folded completely away, but I can't find any other way to get it down lower. The good thing is there's so many adjustments with these, like when you're putting them on, first time it's very daunting, but we are setting them on because you can either steer from the rear, crab, or 360 the wheels. You can make so many adjustments. If you are offset, you don't have to take it right off. You can actually usually just flick the button and change the alignment and move it along. When you're tightening something up, never tighten like that, because if that chain jumps a link, you're going to punch your hand right in the chair and break a finger. Not talking from experience. Open palms. Like that. That's bottomed down bit. It's tight. To the manufacturer, we're putting plenty of chaining points, not just the corners, the centre as well on the chassis, because if you've got like a tight load on, you might not be able to get the four corners. Now, I'm going to give myself a slap in the wrist because that is out of hand, and I've been putting it off for ages, but now it's actually just went total despair. It's coming right halfway down the ramps now. I need to get sorted. Now, there's no excuse for that, absolutely not. It was fine because I had a metal plate on it for a good while, and then I had someone who was promising to get me wood, get you wood. No, don't worry, I'm getting you, and they haven't delivered. So I should have known. So I'm gonna have to try and sort something out today and get it sorted so it's done within the next week or so. Right, I'm about 30 minutes from my delivery and collection, and I've had somebody who knows me pass me. They might have machines down here to go to Glasgow. I've had another phone call from a crowd I do work for in Ireland. Well, they're a paving company that work over here. They've got 4 internal loads, possibly 5 to be moved in Perth, but I'm going to have to maybe get my mate to cover that one for me because I've got a wee bit too much on, so it can't go from steady and quiet or steady to ticking over to busy. So which is good because you just have to think it through. Every time I come down to Campbelltown, I dread it at first, but then when I just get past Tarbert and I'm onto the straight roads, it's just such a nice long road just going beside the shoreline here. And once I got it on a nice sunset night, and it was gorgeous. Well, this road's getting a bit narrow. Oh, some jobs are made to challenge us. I'm right off here. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just going on a pin drop. There's not even an address or nothing. This does look promising. I hope it's going to arrive and everything's going to be there. I'm pushed for time. Ah. Sorry? Aye, I'll do that, aye. That's just because I don't have landing legs in the trailer, so I have to use blocks. There's so many. I'll put it on. Oh, I've got this working. This is going good. Then we can have it, but I'm going to stop. And I want like. Aye, I'll try to. I view this as there's something to do with the angle. That's got to be at a certain fold-away position for it to move.
Right, you've got to walk out to the other side, just make sure it'll catch it in the right, so you can left out position, you put the boom up, swirl it round, you've got to put it back into the basket. Lift the leg, switch all the hydraulics over again, put it in the basket, put it in.
No safety, it's just if it falls, it's your fault. Right, all loaded up, now got to get to Campbelltown to get the rest of the load.
Right there.
Oh, there.
What'd you paint, Mark? Brilliant. Time he's getting sat in the windscreen. What was your last sleeping? You'll be sick if I was watching. Oh Jesus!
That is me done. I am parking here, all chained down, ready to go, tipping or guilt paid in the morning. Thanks to all the boys at McFadden's for loading me up and waiting behind. Top digger driver skills there, I'd add as well. But I've actually had quite a good wee day. I'm parking up here on the site, left my own devices, so I am going to get in and get my tea. But I will end this video here. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you've liked it, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment as well. And as always, subscribe. Flat out, flat bro. Oost!